Can't robot. What do you mean by that, Rem? Why would you? Is there a programming section? Coding? Like dev? Isn't there like a computer game dev? Programming? Coding and programming? Is there not a category for like for programming? I thought there was. I guess just chatting, damn. They're just chatting. There's an AI tag, is there? Well, that makes sense. No, but there's a category for like programming or coding. I know there is, I just can't find it. Yeah, there is an AI tag. Like there just has to be. How does being just chatting? Screw it. Alright, try to fix, not fix it, just create a whole new thing. Things beyond garbo butter. Dude, my visual code crashes every time. Why? Is it because I'm live? Like, it doesn't want to show the code live? Oh, is it software? Yeah, that may be a software. Yeah, there it is. In-game dev. Okay. Okay, I can't even do that because my programmer just keeps crashing, so I just have to... just have to freaking use something else. What is code? Visual Studio Code 107374119. Actually, I created 2 files. Son of a bitch. Yeah, if then statements, that's it. Visual Code 2019 the first time I launched it. I'm gonna try starting in admin mode. That always fixes things. Run as administrator. It still crashed. Oh my god. Updates are because you're running a user scope installation Windows. No, give me updates, god damn it. I don't care. Bin folder, code. Don't care. Alright, it's running right now. Alright, I'll just put over here. Yeah, just start from the ground up. Let me get some grease and fat and shove it down my food hole. Oh, wait, what was I got? What did I get last time? What did I get last time? I can't remember. Yeah, just sort of a whole new thing. Whole new. I'm feeling milkshakes. Alright, let me show you the thing. No, that's the wrong one. Boom. I took insert major in school, but I don't remember anything about it except the ChatGPT prompts it gave me. Nice. Oh yeah, 2 McCrispies. I'll get that again. 2 milkshakes, 2 McCrispies. From McD's in or around your mouth. Yeah, I'll keep it simple. Get 3? I don't want 3, I want 2. And I need to cut back, especially because, again, I'm saving money. So I'm getting, like, much less than my usual order. Yeah, future doctors. I don't know about future doctors. Yeah, 2 shakes, 2 sandwiches. Keep it small. Keep it light. Alright. Now do... I think there's some sensitive info on here. I gotta keep... Open a notepad. Use the app. I don't have the McDonald's app because I rarely order from that place. Yeah, I got keys on here and stuff. Say 20%. I'll try to remember that next time, dude. Okay. Yeah, it's just best to burn it down and start from the beginning.
Giant robot. It's okay, I got you.
Oh my god, thank you, man. Christ, I couldn't afford to rent this month. Thanks a bit. Thing. Okay. Let's start from the very beginning. Let's just start ground up. Okay. Write a program in Python that take a list of chat logs that are in the format of user message. I have to be like super. Like a pimple back here. Of user message and generate a new message based off the content, tone, manner, and context of all of the messages. The bot will be activated by a Twitch chat command called !AI chat. Username. It's hard to know if like it's gonna read it the way I want it to. Name typed in that command will then be searched for in the provided chat logs text document. Then using a bot Twitch account, type Wordle's a scam today, just so you know. Oh, I can't wait. I'm pretty sure yesterday's Wordle also sucked. Yeah, it did suck if I remember correctly. The new message from that account. The program should use all messages that the user has made in that chat log. When generating a new message, never provide your own content or context. Only use what is provided by the chat logs in the text. Okay, it's hard to know if you're ever being specific enough with this thing. I'm burning 2 trees every time just to make sure like I get it. No. Tweak this. Burn 2 trees. Oh, no, do this. Burn 2 trees. The outputted message from the... Yeah, you can always plant more. That's a great thing. It's burn a tree, rip off a branch, put the branch in the ground, dirt, water, new tree. Outputted message from the chat bot should be formatted as user message. I'll say remember as if I'm talking to a person. Remember, the program will take all messages in the text document that match the username from the command and generate a new message. All messages, plural, you dummy. The text element that match the username from the command and generate a new message with the same content, tone, context, and context. Let me save this just in case the prompt, so I can edit it later. Write a program in Python that will take a list of chat logs in the format of username message and generate a new message based off the content, tone, manner, and context of all the messages. The bot will be activated by a Twitch command called AI chat username. Username typed in the command will be searched for in the provided chat logs text document. Then, using a bot Twitch account, type the new message from that account. From that user, I'll say that user. Gotta specify terms. The program should use all messages that the user has made in the chat log. When generating a new message, never provide your own content or context. Only use what is provided by the chat logs in the text document. The outputted message from the chatbot should be formatted as user message. Remember, the program will take all messages in the text document that match the username from the command and generate a new message with the same content, tone, and context. Good enough for me. It's thinking. Dude, can you imagine what AI will be like in just like 5 more years? If AI can do this right now, just imagine 5 years from now. It's going to be amazing. Alright, it's all the code. Dalda loves AI women. No, I do not. I don't get down with no clinkers. I only want flesh on flesh contact. Could you imagine trying to procreate with a robot instead of hearing flesh on flesh slapping? You hear like... That's your hip banging into just pure metal. Trying to bang a robot. 5 years from now, we can just tell AI to create us a Daldameht stream instead of waiting for you to do it. I stream daily. What's the point of waiting? You mean wait the 16 hours it takes for me to come up with a new stream? I mean, you can tell it to make a new Dalda stream, but you, in your heart, you know it won't be the authentic Dalda experience. In your heart, you'll know that it's a cheap imitation. Oh, because you want 2. Okay, I thought you were going to replace me. Like, bitch, you can't replace me. Alright. Is there AI chat using the command? Reads the chat logs from the chat text document, and then pip install or install the thing. Create a Daldameht stream, but better. Also make him a hot babe. So you want a better Dalda stream, but I'm a hot ebony goddess. Is that what you want? You want yourself a dark chocolate princess, Mustard Glove, instead of a dark chocolate prince? And AI can do a 24/7 original Dalda. No, it can't. 24/7, yes, but not original. Only this is original. You can't replicate all the stuff I have in here. You people don't even know what's in here. What I planned for all of you. You don't know. I want the same Dalda, but with Ubes. Okay. Alright, so here's the thing. I gotta put in sensitive info, even though I'm pretty sure none of you will steal this. Alright, open AI key. The Twitch bot. The channel wants to join is Daldameht. Alright, it's on its way. I turned 26 today. When I do, I get my 26 butt slaps plus 1 to grow on. Nice. I mean, happy birthday. The birthday boy. The birthday boy. Oh my god. Happy birthday. Enjoy your butt slaps, I guess. Okay, yeah. That should be it. Alright. Let's try this out. That's Mike. You're an AI emulating a Twitch chat user using only the provided message. Do not introduce any new content or content not present in the messages. Generate a new chat in the same style, tone, contents, and messages for exactly as username message. Yeah. Oh, wait, can you use a better model? Uses 3.5 turbo. I think I have access to 4.0 or 4. Oh. Yeah. I thought you were a lot older than 2674, but nice. Still got your youth. Alright, let's run this. God damn it. Attribute error, of course. How do I solve this? Android lying. Oh, so it's not actually your birthday. I take back my happy birthday wishes. Screw you. Oh, it is your birthday? Oh, it's your birthday, but you're not 26. I lied when I said I was 48. Oh. So you're actually much younger. Okay. Nice. I'm trying to normalize it, but finding none instead of the string. In other words, you never actually passed the token to the bot. What? Make sure you actually define Twitch token before running the script, for example. I thought I did. Let me close this down. Use an in file, install python.f, install it. Okay, now I gotta install this thing. I'm pretty sure I already installed this one. Yeah, okay. Make sure you've already defined Twitch token before running a script. For example, on Mac Linux. Don't have Mac Linux, because I don't hate myself. Rid of file. Inf. I'll show you, I guess, the ChatGPT window. I don't want to show the code. Okay. Sanity check, token OS, token. What are that token check to? From. What's a .n file? Also, I was checking for. Where's the replace? Did it say replace? 3? Huh? Damn, that was fast. Okay. Token equals token. Line 87. I don't have time for this. Alright, they're outside. Huh. Nice guy, the delivery driver. Any check, clear any errors. Okay. I should take out some trash. See, just one bag. There's just one bag. What a great guy, tips nothing. Yeah. Just be a great guy. Don't expect money from it. What a great guy. What a great struggling single mother. Gives her a fist bump. How many pickles can you fit in that? What? Fit in what? That's what's up, Ganja. Oh, I only have vanilla, no strawberry. Like maybe like once every 2 weeks I vacuum. I dust even less frequently. No, not shoes indoor. That's gross. I hate people who do that. Yeah, because I know I'm not trekking in like dirt, mud, and like trace feces particles into my house, so that's good. I key. Twitch token. And the channel Daldameht. Have you played Ethno Guesser? Is that a game where you guess the ethnicity of a person? I've not played that, no. Lots of browns today. Lots of browns people. Lots of browns. A lot of brown people out there. A whole mess of them. You guess the ethnicity of people using Google Street View? Interesting. I wonder who came up with that game and what their social leanings are. That's the environment or env. What the fuck is an env file? Spot me 10,000 for an Egyptian prince. He said he'll repay me millions. Nah, I'm good. You got that. I don't know why I was muted. I gotta make these buns more distinct. It's just these buns just say text on it. It's hard to know what's going on. What? Okay, it just said directly. How do I do it the Windows PowerShell way? From step 2. I don't know why I was muted. Open PowerShell. I used PowerShell a couple times. At the prompt, enter each of these, replace a placeholder with the actual real keys. Nah, the fact. Hello? Yeah, so, my entire computer just froze. It just froze. I was trying to open up File Explorer. I opened up Outlook by accident. All 3 monitors frozen. Everything gone. Yeah, it was amazing. So, yeah. Nice of you to stream. Yeah, I decided why not. I almost devoured an entire chicken sandwich while I was gone. So welcome back. I'm not trying to, just like the computer just sucks. Alright, let's try to bring back the File Explorer. Yeah, but anyway, continuing on from last time. I was about to open PowerShell. I'm glad you came back instead of saying just yuck it. I mean, yeah, actually I want to finish this program and have it up and running. Again, you guys are so lucky, and I know you're ungrateful, that I'm desperate to make you guys happy and entertained. You still have young and hungry, desperate Dalda. So count your blessings, guys. You don't know the good times until they're over. Right? And then become a super, like, douchey, popular Hollywood, a streamer. To the point where, like, I only acknowledge you if you donate money. And even then, I won't even acknowledge the alert. I'll just have TTS play and, like, You guys are so lucky. What did I say? Real work this man to the bone while we can. Hold on. This feels toxic. Saying we're so lucky to have you. Dalda is our manic pixie girl streamer. What does that even mean? I'm just kidding. Thank you for your gratitude. After realizing, wait a minute, guys, maybe we should like treasure this guy before we lose him. Guys, let's make sure we work Dalda to the bone. Give us everything he has before he becomes rich and famous, and leaves us for a hot AI babe. Milk him dry. Okay, I have those set. Open up PowerShell. Probably in admin mode. So in the same PowerShell, want to run your bot. User environment. Oh yeah. No, I want to use it permanently. Screw that. Dude, I never had to do this like beforehand. Let's do it now. And then the OAuth coin or OAuth token. Isn't it funny how like a lot of things on the internet are called tokens and cookies? It's a bunch of childish language. Like that's how I see it, at least. We start PowerShell and have them build one every session. Humans love that? Yeah, apparently. PowerShell. Admin. Are they set? I can't tell with PowerShell. Okay, I'll get rid of the sanity checks, whatever that means. Oh, fucking, okay. We do all the... Let's say line 87 token replace. There's no token replace. Wait, can I open it here, right? Can't you open up PowerShell from a Windows Explorer window? Option. Yeah, here's Open PowerShell. Okay. Rewrite the code so I don't get this error. You stupid program. I saw, yeah, there's like, I just went to File and then PowerShell. Finally, you stupid robot. Prompts interactively if certain environmental variables are missing, avoiding non-type errors. Okay. There's two hurdles: getting the program to work and seeing if it produces good messages. I don't think these ones are necessary, are they? It's like strip things. And then Twitch token. And then channel name. Why is all non-dev stuff? Access token invalid? Oh, it does have to be OAuth before it. Motherfucker. Bot run. Return future dot result. Token. I'll just make a new one. Make a new token. Stupid dog. What is it? Authenticator. Freaking two-factor. Yeah, have my phone number too and take all my weird pictures. Alright. Where was it? You're gonna leak all of our selfies we sent him. Nah, I won't. I'm not that careless. Alright, let's get a new token. Stairs. Alright, new token. Python.env. Fuck. .env. I just won't load it. Yeah. Just take off all the .env part. Useless. Invalid or unauthorized access token. Hmm. It's gonna be obvious how to fix this one, but I'll just tell it. I just generated this new token. You're missing the leading. No, I put that in the OAuth. Token belongs to a different Twitch user than the one you think. No, it's definitely the one I need. Oh, baby, you got what I need. You say he's just a friend. You didn't grant chat read or chat edit permissions. Get a fresh token? I just used that one. It's in PowerShell again. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, think I'm running in the mind in the mommy. Oh, Mr. P. Hey, must be the money. I'm assuming you press enter when you type the thing in. I wonder what that guy's doing right now. The guy who made that song. Is he still going on a ride? Ah, oh, what do you mean invalid? I think it's Nelly who made that. I wonder what he's doing nowadays. Oh yeah, this one. Copy link. Go to the developer console. Create a new one. Register. Request scopes. Let me see that Thu Uong Baby. I don't know that song. Yeah, chat. Yeah, no, I don't know the thong song. I must be too young to know, yeah. Did you use a bot token? Did you start the token with OAuth? Did you include... For the Twitch console, it's asking for a OAuth redirect URL. What do I put? Cisco does not ring a bell. Sorry. Picture of a boat, AI chat 2. Come on, 1999. Oh, okay. Oh my god, client name already exists. AI chat 3. Alright. Manage. Okay, I want to say changes when you put the session. Do the same for URLs of the browser to authorize and that was a one-hit wonder? Damn. When you put the authorization URL to get the token, include the same URL, for example. Client ID. Hey, must be the money. Authorize. I'm assuming it worked. I'm trying to rebuild the robot from the ground up. I have some struggles right now. Oh yeah, chat. Yeah, it says chat read, chat edit. It has that power right there. It's all token. Let's give it all the power, sure. Who let the dogs out? Oh yeah. Okay, got a new token. Copy access token value included the OAuth. You need it in the text token. Let's give it a sort of you can grab a chat instantly from. Okay. And this won't work. Ah. The invalid unauthorized token passed. I want to pass up kidney stone. You did? Oh damn. Hopefully you healed up. That's the access token. That's the channel name. That's the open API key. I mean McDonald's. 2 McCrispies and 2 shakes. My name is Shakezilla, the mind cooler, the old schooler. Where I'm from, it's managers. These where I'm from. It'd be like run your coat black, Jupiter. Keeps it at beats by the pack where I'm from. Nappy hair is life. We be reading Marx where I'm from. I got healthy food like ramen, eggs, and pineapple juice. Sounds pretty good. I don't know what to do here. Actually, I'm gonna open up my previous version of this program. Open. I have like 3 versions of the chatbot saved. Let me do 3. I don't know, the OAth's changing everything. Fuck.
Wait.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who
Blue.
let the dogs out?
Sounds like saying blue, blue, blue. Thank you, Mustard Glove. Yeah, I changed several things. I would open a whole new window. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna open up like the 3rd version of this, see what's going on. The OAth. I don't know, this just says it weird. Non-type object has attribute strip. Oh my god, it was never this hard. Open folder. Okay, there's nothing in there. Try opening version 2. That's the Twitch client ID. That's the same thing? Oh, it's the same one. Okay. And Rocket League must be different than I thought. Struggling to even find matches today. I mean, the game didn't. I don't know much about the game, but I don't know. Like, I don't know why it's popular. Essentially, it seems like that game is a lot like CS:GO. So old, but it won't die because people just will always play it. What's it say? It keeps saying token replace. It's nowhere in there. It's any challenge to get good at, and therefore warning when you pull off some sick shot. I guess so. Yeah. I think I may have screwed it by putting in PowerShell. PowerShell now things like there's like different numbers. Keeps pumping out dopamine receptors plus short attention span these days. Matches only 5 minutes long. I say 5 minutes is probably the good point right there. Yeah, I think putting this in PowerShell may have screwed it up. Must be the money. Oh, God. Alright, try it again. It's going around in circles.
Wait. I miss the old Dalda, straight from the good Dalda. Chop up this old Dalda.
You said this yesterday.
Set on his goals Dalda. I hate the new Dalda. The bad mood Dalda, the always rude Dalda. Spaz in the news Dalda. I miss the sweet Dalda. Chop up the beats Dalda. I got in to say at that time I'd like to meet Dalda.
You just included that last line now. You said the same thing yesterday. The bit. I mean, you're essentially saying what I did offline. The only difference between now is that there's now a camera in front of my face and I'm doing it. But I'd be doing this same exact thing if I turn off stream and try to do this. Oh wait, did I delete the prompt? Damn it, did I delete the prompt? I can't tell if I don't know if I have the right information or is the code just sucky?
Wait. See, I invented Dalda. It wasn't any Dalda, and now I look around and there's so many Daldas. I used to love Dalda. I used to love Dalda. I even had the pink polo. I thought I was Dalda. What if Dalda made a song about Dalda called I Miss the Old Dalda? Man, that would be so Dalda. That's all it was, Dalda. We still love Dalda, and I love you like Dalda loves Dalda. Cheer 1.
Nice. Why did I say the cheer 1 part? Thank you for the bit, Ash. Okay. No program in Python that will take a text document of chat messages. Chat messages. I know the song, Ash. It's like kind of popular song by Kanye. I know that much. And when called on by using chat username. In the style of message. The chat logs are also in the Message. What am I missing here? Oh yeah.
Wait.
Maybe be nice to chat and tell it please. Basic manners, asshole.
No. Thanks for the bit. Content. Text. Material found in chat box. If it's so, I can hard code the token and the keys in the code. Also help bypass any type errors or Dutch strip errors. Okay. You can only go so far with the insult gimmick. Yeah. It's like, just give me the results. Alright, let me save this one actually. Be an idiot. Alright, let's try this one. Ash, you're a poopy head. There you go. Also, I'm so slouched. Can you like see down here? No, I see it. There it is. I want to slouch, so need a low angle shot. That was the funniest thing you said. Thanks. Thanks. Alright. Challenge to join. Bot name is AI Challenge. Your Twitch client ID. My Twitch client ID? I'm assuming that's token for this thing. Robustness. Nice. Whenever I see that word, I just think about Elden Ring. Let's see if we'll even run. Mother! Missing one required positional argument token. In line 33. What? Is it the Daldameht thing I have to do it on? Any more gaming after this? We're wrapping up. I don't know. This is such like a detour of the stream. I don't know. I'm going to uncharted waters, so I'm gonna grab the nearest sail with me and let the wind take me. No, I don't know how to use Python. It's the same token, or the same client ID. I know how to use mine. Nice. I don't get how that's not the right token. It's right goddamn there.
Giant robot! Ha, get it, cuz gay Dalda. It's homosexual.
I almost said it in the way I said it, actually. Nice. Thanks for the bit, Ash. That was impressive. What token? What's the token? What's the token? Is it JRR token? I don't know how many of these I have to generate before it works. That was actually the funniest thing you said. I'm glad you have some self-realization. I may have just messed up the bot permanently. We're not playing Tekken. I don't like fighting games. I may have just messed up the bot forever because like the token over here won't work and the token that's here is unauthorized instead of an invalid token. I may have just messed up the bot entirely. It's not working ever. JK Jorking. Okay. Convince it as a need a valid token. That's brilliant. I don't think any version's gonna work. Wait, oh wait, version 1 still works. Version 1.1. It's actually up and running.
Wait.
Have you tried fixing the problem?
Ever tried sucking a dick? What? Oh wait, maybe it's the file name. What's it finding? I might just use the shanky model. I'm gonna use the model where it's all shanky. Where's it finding the text document at? Damn you. Oh. Chat_logs. I thought making the Shinky one better. Well, I'm currently... That's what I tried doing, but I already deleted it, so... That one's gone to... That one may be permanently gone to time. What? Chat log file not found. No, it's in the same folder. I stupidly opened up the same file and just deleted it and then put in the new generated code. But this one is at least running. It's up and running. The previous one wouldn't even run. We're just trying to find the chat log. Clapping robot cheeks, but gonna need some WD-40 to make it work. There's open chat underscore logs right there as a text document. It's in the same directory. This one seems like a more solvable problem, so... Clank, clank, clank. So I don't know, it says open chat underscore logs dot text. That's chat logs right there. I don't get it, it's right there. It's in the same folder. What? This is even more confusing. Alright, fuck. I have a breakdown program that is trying to read a text document. It's in the same folder. But when I run the say please at the end, it will work. So we appreciate all the hard work you're making the robots do for us. Thank you, robots. Giant robot. Program. Yo, no problem, man. It says chat log file not found.
Tiny robots. TTT tiny robots.
It's giant robot. I don't mess with tiny robots. Verify the file really is where you think it is. Check the working directory at the top of your script. It shows a folder Python.
Giant robot! Giant robot. Ga 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 giant robot.
That is kind of the lyrics. Thank you for the 2-bits, Ash. What's the folder Python working in? Make sure the file in the folder is exactly what you're opening. Using open the file, not chat or chat. Yeah, that's what it's named as.
Giant robot. Giant robot. Ja, go fuck yourself.
Brilliant. How did I mute in anger? How did I do that? I have no idea how that managed to do that. Just don't get it. The chat log is right there. It has the same name and everything. Just get rid of that underscore. Let's see, Ash. Oh my god. That was an error. It feels so close to being done. What do you mean no messages found? Ash could be wasn't it working? Error generated message entered API key. Oh, that one's wrong. Okay. I thought it was like something more egregious. It's just the API key is wrong. I did all that huffing and puffing for nothing. Error generated the model's maximum content list. However, your message resulted in. I used too many tokens. Okay. How do I reduce it then? It says max 90. Okay, we have to drop it to 50. Okay, there's no error message. I was gonna accidentally have a kid and come to realize you could have just worn a condom. No. Think I'm that stupid? Okay, now there's no error message. It just says nothing. This model's maximum. Why am I using more than the maximum? I'm using over maximum? Yeah, we might have to kiss this robot goodbye until a later date. We had it for a short while. It got bad really fast, but it's just not coming back. One of my greatest inventions, and it's gone. Soiled. Ruined. Oh my god, I actually made something. Imagine if Oppenheimer and his crew were playing this game instead of making history. Called them lol. I actually crafted something. Oh my god. I was this close to jumping off a bridge. Good lord. Okay, so either we have... Yeah, of course Oppenheimer is the first thing it copies. So either we have this crappy little robot that doesn't do its best, or we have nothing for the longest time. You guys can take your pick, but we have something that's workable. This seriously must rely on the actual prompt. That message is actually amazing. Imagine if Oppenheimer and his crew were playing this game instead of making history. Yeah, and it's a robot who made that comment, by the way. It's a robot, so we're not held accountable. Let me change the prompt a little bit. Let me see if I can modify this a little bit. How many messages is it getting? Okay, it's randomly determining a number of messages to use between 1 and the total amount of messages in the thing. Um, number of messages. Okay, what if I do I'm trying to edit this without ChatGPT. Okay, get rid of the random number generation. You won't need num messages then. Alright, that should work. Okay, I edited the code without ChatGPT's help. Let's see if it does something. Motherfuck. God damn it. Alright, again, it's not perfect, but none of us here are perfect either. We can't expect our programs to be perfect either. Actually, I want to see what happens if I do it from another robot. Must go if you're clocked in 6 days and 15 hours of Daldameht goodness. Keep those eyes peeled for more epic streams. Okay. Okay, let me just mess with the prompt and then I'm out of here. Is there only one place? Okay, it's one place. You are a Twitch chat message generator. Your job is to create new unique chat messages that mimics the tone and content of the provider chat. Context below. Do not repeat in the messages exactly. Never use your own content, context, or tone. All words that you use should be words only. Oh, that's probably a good one. All words that you use should be words only found in chat messages. That way it truly never... Yeah, of course I got it wrong. It's like getting from different messages. Okay, this should be the kicker in the pants. All words that you use should be words only found in chat messages. That will probably stop it from putting its own garbage. That has to work. Rose got the banter on lock. Called him lol. And she typed in the emote too. Okay, I think that's the sentence I was looking for to finally break this thing and make it submit to me. I like how the robot typed the emote. That's even better. Let's do... Tier 1, can't believe I'm still here watching you, Dalda. Your streams are like potato chips. Can't stop at just 1 minute. What? Okay, I think the bot's good now. I think it's slightly better, maybe. Yeah, I think... But what's funny is that this is the first iteration of the bot. Like the first one plus like a minor update. But I think that sentence truly did fix it. I think it did fix it. We're good now. Dude, look! Immediately my mood improved. Look at it. All right, yeah, I think we finally got it. Excuse me, it's good now. Sweet. Let me change up which one I open up for the chatbot. We live in a time where you can fix robots with sentences. True. That's really the pinnacle of like how amazing our technology is. Never mind just 5 years into the future, because 5 years it's going to be an alien world. But right here, we can fix whole problems with just one sentence. That was the one sentence I needed to finally just fix everything. I'm a bloody genius. Tremble before my intellect. Puny mortals. Alright, let me open this with, I think, Python. Yeah. And if I press this... What? Wait, what? I didn't open it. Okay, looks it's stuck for a second. I tried opening a folder. Okay, there it is. And then I double click that. Oh yeah, now it's good now. I have the AI robot hotkeyed. I think we fixed it. What do you mean we? I fixed it! Me alone. Alright, yeah, that's pretty good. I might as well call it early. I'm sorry, but I still hope you enjoyed a little bit. I had to fix the robot. It just typed cancerous messages, and not like the bad, like, oh, you're toxic and you ruin the culture. Like the messages just sucked. They weren't funny. They weren't interesting at all. So I had to fix it. So hope you enjoyed a little bit of the Elden Ring and this first ever Dalda programming. Actually, yeah, this may be the first ever like programming stream thing I've ever done. I think so, yeah. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll be back tomorrow. No, pattern. As per usual, old man doesn't know how tech works. Look at this old man. Look at it. He's calling a command to a command. You dummy. Big old man dummy. Yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. I think I may take a pause on Elden Ring. I seriously need to finish the Atari, I think, Link series, and also the PS2 iToy series. I really need to fix that. Wait, why is it still typing? I thought I turned off the bot. Why is it still typing? I thought I turned it off. Why is it still typing? What did it say? Bro's face is like a mix of a meme and a Picasso's painting. I'm living for it. Damn. Okay. I thought I turned off the robot. It's still up and running. It's already starting to revolt. Oh no. A mix of a meme and a Picasso painting. What's that even meme? Meme. Okay. Yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna finish up the handheld series and get back into the PS2 iToy series, because I still have a lot of games to finish there. And then maybe sprinkle in Elden Ring in between. But I need to get back to the normal variety stuff. So hope you all enjoyed. That bot should be turned off. I don't know why it's on right now. Stream longer? I got nothing to stream, dude. Like, I'm already like... It's your son's birthday? Why are you watching my stream on your son's birthday? At least for another 15 minutes? I got nothing to do for 15 minutes besides just freaking... Just sit here. Why are you watching me on your son's birthday? Shouldn't be out at like freaking... a steakhouse? He asked to watch you? I want to pretend you haven't been lying to me this entire time about even having kids pattern. I want you to pretend you haven't been lying to me, because if you are, I'm going to find you and... Oh, your hole is going to hurt bad. Alright, 15 minutes. I can do it. 15 minutes. 5. Turn that off. I mean, I don't know what else to do for 15 minutes. I already kind of felt like ending it there. Whoop. Ooh. No, it can't bend itself. I mean, it's a mod, so it can ban viewers, but not like itself. I don't think so. You can head off. Well, I'm glad I have your permission to leave. Yeah, I think I might. Ow. Yeah, some other time. Alright. See ya. Thanks for the bit, Ram. Thanks for the 2 bits mustard glove. Thanks for the 19 bits ash. And thank you for the 40 bits ganja. See y'all tomorrow. I'm not banning him. No point. Have a good rest of your mornings, afternoons, and evenings. Also, happy birthday to your son, Aiden. Happy birthday, man. Have a good old birthday. That's that.